Welcome to the registered version of Lord Hull Napult Predator Targeting System. This software simulates a missile targeting system launched from a Predator MQ-1 drone. It's designed for AirSoft technological objectives and it's full customizable. The target of the application is for people that organize a AirSoft mission and invites other teams for a day game. Alright, let's see the content now. This feature video will show the content of the registered version of the software and the main area that you can edit to customize the software. Once you buy the package, you will receive a zip file to unpack. The following directories represent your HTML application. In other words, it's like a website, but in this case, it will be used to execute the Predator minigame once a team reach an objective in your combat field. Here we are. Go now to JS directory and open the JSON data file. First of all, decide how many steps you have to resolve in the game. 10 steps of default, and for now we will keep them. This means that you have to produce 10 images that progressively approach to your objective. So let's now get the image. We use Google Maps for this. Decide a combat area that meets the plot of your AirSoft game, such as Afghanistan, Africa, or whatever you want. We will plan an attack to a place in Korea. On Google Maps, zoom until you find a location. Now switch to Earth View and press Start to do as follow. Make a screenshot of the area using Stamped button. Save the photo. Zoom backward. Repeat this procedure 10 times in order to collect 10 screenshots. Let's now see how to stylize the images in order to put black and white graphic. You need a graphic editor that you are able to use. So get a photo, convert the photo to black and white. Insert text with big letters in order to be correctly seen on a tablet or a computer when the players will play this game. Consider that you will give 3 options to your players. 2 wrong and 1 correctly. Save the new photo as JPEG. Repeat this process for each photo you have. You are free to better cut the photo. Now that the graphic is completed, overwrite the previous graphic inside the images directory. We are at a good point. What we have to do now is to configure each step of your missile. Return to JSON data file, go to the top and scroll until step 10 is in evidence. All the variables that you see are documented inside the manual, included in the package. What you have to do is to configure every step, distributing 3 buttons, 2 wrong and 1 correct, inside each step. Let's see step 10. We have here the most high zoom image. Use the percentage array to move the buttons near the texts. Keep values in percentage. Consider that left 0% is left. Left 100% is total right, and of course top 0% is high and top 100% is bottom. You will have to save and test your application sometimes in order to set the buttons near the text of your screenshot. Now set 1 to the button that will pass you to next step, and 0 to the 2 buttons that will take to failure step. Try to use different combination, and do not put 1 always on first button. Called alpha. The rest of the configuration is documented in the manual and will not be touched. They show and hide additional graphics and text. After you have configured all your steps, we will launch the application. Remember to have a Firefox browser, that is the most versatile in this kind of application, event on your mobile tablet. Moreover, you will want to download a full screen plugin to hide the URL command line and show a full screen application. In a PC demo, we press F11 to hide the URL. So the game customization is completed. Test each button and see how only the correct selection of the correct button lead the player to the success sequence where they will earn game points. The last step is to create a plot that informs like a top-secret report where the players have to shoot the missile. During a battle, the players will have to remember the position of the enemies and resolve the Predator targeting system to earn game points. Usually you can give just 3 missiles for each team. That means they can fail just 3 times. Once you have completed every customization, copy the entire directory on your tablet and open the file, LHN predator.html, with Firefox. If you cannot arrange this operation for Android limit use, open in browser plugin that solves this issue. Don't worry. All these tips, procedure and details are inside the documentation. That's all. Enjoy rich content, airsoft battles, and buy the Predator targeting system and create funny moments with high-tech simulation at low cost. Thank you for watching. Good luck, soldier. Stay low and watch your six.